So here we are at a school. Under this meter pit cover is the 1 metre that was being billed. Moving on, consistent 12 cubic metres of water a day, 431 pupils. So even if you did some basic analysis, it wouldn't look like a problem here. Nothing would look untoward at all. But there's a second meter on site, and I'll show you where it is. Okay, so while I'm trudging over to this second meter, I'll throw a few facts at you. Last year we found 104 missing unbilled supplies at commercial properties, and of this 104, 60 of them had missing meters when we got to site. The 60 meters had a consumption uplift of 0.47 of an MLD, which comes straight off water companies' leakage targets. We also backbilled the 60 for £1.2 million. So not many, only 60, but lots of value there. But how does it happen? How do you have a meter that's in the ground but not on the billing system? Well, let me tell you, it doesn't happen very often. Our client base last year had 430,000 commercial customers, and of those 430,000, we found just 60 like this. So 1 in 7,100 has a problem with a missing unbilled meter. And because water company processes are typically quite fragmented, whereas you have the surveyor goes out and then you have a contractor, the meter needs to get put on the system, customer get billed, there are all these little pockets where problems can fall down. And it's inevitable really, with so many meters, so many new connections each year, that a few will slip through the net, rather like this site is now. And over here, by the fence, you have a second meter. So let's have a look at this missing meter. So some of the missing meters we find are a little more obvious. They're in the front of the property or the driveway. So there's a case to say that if you were to send a gang to look at every commercial property, they would pick those sort of obvious meters up. But this one, which is so far from the entrance of the property, look at all this thick grass and brambles and rubbish over here by the fence. So nothing looks suspicious in the billing system, nothing looks suspicious when you go to site. So how do you find this missing meter?